Handa ang Foreign Affairs Department na maghain ng isa na namang diplomatic protest. Oras na mapatunayang galing China ang submersible drone na nakuha kamakailan sa karagatan ng Masbate. Yan ang agenda report ni Agatha Gregorio.
Tali pa ang kamay ng Pilipinas pagdating sa posibilidad ng diplomatic protest laban sa China kaugnay ng natagpuang submersible drone noong Desyembre sa baybayin ng San Pascual, Masbate. Sabi kasi ng Justice Department, kailangan muna ng resulta ng forensic analysis ng Philippine Navy dahil dapat sigurado sa pinanggalingan ng drone. Pinaghihinala ang isa itong Chinese Sea-Wing Hai glider lalo na't may marka itong HY-119.
We cannot make a definitive conclusion as of this time as to the origin or the ownership of those drones because like in this particular case, no country has ever claimed such drones. Not as far as the Department of National Defense, we will always consider them as a threat, as an intrusion on our sovereignty, regardless whether it is commercial or military specification. We will always treat it as a threat to our sovereignty, ma'am.
Para sa Defense Department, may tuturing na intelligence ang lahat ng impormasyong nakuha ng drone, kaya nakikita nila ito bilang national security issue.
Based po sa open source, it's a data gathering equipment and all information that this equipment can gather has commercial, scientific, and military use. Considering the strategic location of the Philippines, all available hydrographic information that can be gathered by any country would be of great advantage to them. Specifically, based on open source, this is gathering salinity, temperature, depth. It can conduct mapping of the subsurface. Importante yung mga data po na maano niya, especially sa atin. We are a gateway to the Western Pacific from the South China Sea, and we have a lot of strategic passages from one location to another.
Ayon naman sa Foreign Affairs Department, maghahain sila ng diplomatic protest oras na akuin ng China ang drone.
Wala po communication at all from China about that. But let me say this, no? Under Article 245 of UNCLOS, the express consent from the coastal state is needed for a foreign country to conduct marine scientific research in its territorial sea. So this, as mentioned by Yusek Mariaga, could have data gathering. So marine scientific research yan, violation yan.
Pero habang umiinit ang diskusyon sa posibleng aksyon ng Pilipinas, nanawagan si Senator Robin Padilla na iwasan muna ang usapang makakaapekto sa relasyon ng bansa sa China. Aniya, pinapag-aralan pa naman ang insidente. Nagtanong din si Senator Risa Ontiveros ukol sa anti-submarine warfare o ASW capability ng AFP at kung kayang madetect ang mga submarine na nasa mga karagatan ng Pilipinas. Sagot naman ng DND, ang pagpapalakas ng ASW capability ay isa sa mga prioridad ng AFP modernization. Magkakaroon muli ng pagdinig sa Senado matapos matanggap ng mga mambabatas ang resulta ng investigasyon ng Philippine Navy. Ayon kay Senator Francis Tolentino, mahalaga ito sa pagdedesisyon ng DFA at DOJ ng kanilang susunod na hakbang. Para sa agenda, Agatha Gregorio, Bilyonaryo News Channel.